Hey everybody, welcome to Aspen Creek. I'm really excited to show you this amazing 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom with an open floor plan. You got an amazing wraparound outside deck to create your own oasis that you can use 12 months a year. It's got a gas fireplace. The greatest thing about this location, you're close to coffee shops, shopping, boutiques, everything that Central Abbotsford has to offer. I'm super excited to show you this. Come on in, let's check it out. Enjoy this amazing open format kitchen. You got the huge island to entertain, and if you don't feel like cooking, you've got a ton of restaurant options to choose from, just steps away. Hey everyone, if you're looking for anything like photos, location, pricing, or floor plans, click the link below. We'd love to send you all the information that you need. Looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much.